Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if you are facing the issue your Windows Defender is not turning on, turn on Windows Security Center, this type of notification you are getting on your Windows 11 or 10. So this is the updated video and I will show you how you can resolve this issue step by step. So let's proceed without wasting our time. So you can cross that out and open your registry editor and follow the steps carefully so that you don't miss any important step in this video. Just run it as administrator once you open the registry editor. As you can see here, it is coming up automatically, and what you need to do is I'm closing this path so that you can follow step by step here. So let me open the notepad as well on my system, since I saved the its full path on Windows 11 or 10 for both operating system. You need to navigate through this path: H key, local machine, system, current control set, services. H key, local machine, current system, then expand current control set, this option. Expand that and look for the services here, this option. Expand that as well. And now in W series, press W on your keyboard once you select any service here and look for WSSB. So WS, you can go step by step here. WS, here you can see WSCSVC. Now you need to select this category here, and in Windows 10 you should able to find out the WinRM, this option WinRM. Look for that option here and look for start here. This is the start. Make a double click on it and change its value from any 1 to 2 here. 2 means automatic startup, 4 means disable, and 3 means manual startup. Select its value to 2, and if it gives you this error, that means that you don't have the permission. By default system has this permission, so we can take a ownership of this WSCSVC folder. Right click on it and go for a permission, and from here look for advanced options. Now change the ownership here. Look for your username, and if you can't find anyone, just click on advanced, then click on find now and look for your username here. It should be administrator. As you can see, I'm selecting this user, but if you have another user into system, just select those, and once you select, just click on OK, and it is selected now. Click on OK and replace owner on, tick this box, then click on apply, then click on OK, and now add the user here, the same user, advanced, find now, and here is administrator. OK, click on OK and tick this box. Once it is selected, then apply and then OK, and now close this and reopen registry editor. Now once you open it and given the full permission to it, make a double click on again on start and change its value to 2, then apply the changes, and now this time it doesn't come up with any error on Windows. Just close this registry editor changes, restart your computer, and then we can try it. Once you restarted your system, just try to open again, run as admin. And now you can see its startup type is running now automatically. Once we restarted it, don't change it anything now, automatic delay is already set. If not, you can try it, but most of the cases it should be running automatically on your Windows, and error should be gone now. So this is how guys you can fix the issue, and I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.